Freedom Riders is like expressing yourself, writing what you want.
By writing this book, I feel I have like persuaded people to stay in school, to get them to go to college, do positive things, and want them to write too.
The Reading 180 classroom is designed for struggling readers. It works as an intervention for students that read below grade level, so that by the end of the year, they will become proficient and avid readers. When the boys came back to my classroom, I told them that they had two options. They could either read a magazine or draw, and I would give them drawing paper. Well, with the drawing paper that I gave them, they sat together and they decided to write. And they, from the beginning, started putting their ideas together, collaborating as a group, and writing this book. Our process has always been to allow each Freedom Rider to brainstorm their ideas. And from the brainstorm, we come up with a rough draft.
So tell me, what do you think? Give me your input.
A disco ball.
Okay, so we got a disco ball at the party, okay.
I may come up with something that they don't like, and they may come up with something that I don't like. But in the end, it's something that we all like.
So everyone had their own motivation for staying in school. Well, you could put anything on paper if you put your mind to it. And when you're writing, you just have to make sure you mean what you're writing.
504 You did!
They think it's cool to learn. They like it when their friends call them Freedom Riders.